Hello, my name is DIANE von Furstenberg, and I have drunk EVIAN all my life. Ever since I was a tiny little girl. So for me, EVIAN is many things. And there was this place, Évian-les-Bains, that my parents used to go to, and it was close to Geneva where I lived. So it was a place to go. It was the Alps. EVIAN is life because water is life. EVIAN is health because the water is very pure. EVIAN is something that is very present, always present in my life, and is always next to my bed. I really wanted the bottle to remain very clear, and I thought that I love words, and I love, words are messages that go and exist forever. And I just wrote it, and it just came very naturally. My big mantra is always love is life. And then I thought, well, really, truly, water is life. So I wrote, water is life, is love, is life, is water. DVF loves EVIAN is everything in there is what we feel, is that I do love EVIAN, is that I love life, and so it just seems like a partnership made in heaven.